Is the y by themselves? No. Okay, so I'm gonna write my first equation down here. So I got 2x plus y equals -3. Okay, so we always add or subtract the x's first. So do we add or subtract? We're gonna subtract, so we're gonna say minus 2x minus 2x. Is there a number next to the y? Kinda, I mean, there's a 1, okay, but there's not like a, it's gotta be bigger than 1, so like a 3, 5, whatever. Okay, so if there's not, then you don't need to divide. Okay, so that one's ready to be graphed. It says y equals, so that's good. Okay, the other line looks like x minus 2y equals -4. Okay, so do we add or subtract the x's? We're going to subtract. So you're going to say minus x minus x. So you get -2y equals -4 minus x. Is there a number next to the y? Yes. So then we need to take that number and you're going to divide everything by that number. So you're going to say divide by -2. Do not do this on the other side. Don't do this. Okay? You have to do it under each piece. Okay? Because we're working with slope, so it should look like this. Divided by -2. Divided by -2. Okay, now this is where it gets a little tricky. What's a negative negative? It's a positive, so your first part should be positive. And what is 4 over 2? 2. So for this part right here, you're going to get 2. Okay, this one, same thing. We got a negative negative, so that should be a positive. What number is in front of the x? There's a 1. So your slope is really going to be 1 over 2, and you can write the x off to the side. Okay, take a second, look at that, make sure you understand what happened. Okay, and so now we're ready to graph them. So the black one starts at -3, and my slope is what? -2. Okay, so we're going to go up 2 over 1. Okay, up 2, 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. Okay, you can go down 2 over 1. Okay, so we've got our black one plotted. Okay, and where does the blue one start out at? Huh? 2. So you're going to start it at 2. And our slope is 1 over 2. So you're going to go up 1 over 2. Okay, but no matter how far you go up, you're never going to intersect. So then start going down. Okay, so you go down 1 over 2. Okay, where is that intersection point? -2, 1. Perfect. So that's our actual answer. Okay. Good morning. Yeah, it's in there. It's in that drawer right here on the side. Some more on the side. Okay, 11. Are the y's by themselves? Yeah, and so it's ready to be graphed. We start at 3, and my slope is 1. Okay, for the other one, I start at -3. What's up?
Oh, I have a question. I don't know if it was the right number, because she wrote it here.
No. I don't have them.
I don't know.
Okay, and my intersection point's gonna be at -4, -1. Okay, and we crossed off 13. Okay, so 15. Are the y's by themselves? No. Okay, so we're gonna write our equation down. Okay, do we add or subtract the x's? We're gonna subtract. We're gonna say minus x minus x. So I got -2y equals 6 minus x. You need to pass back to class?
No.
Okay. And then what do we do? Divide. We're gonna divide. Okay? By what? -2. Good. So divide each piece by -2. Okay, what is 6 divided by -2? -3. So for this part, you're gonna get -3. Okay, and then for the other part, what are you gonna get? Close. 1/2. Why 1/2? Yes, you do. Putting you on the spot. You wanna whisper it to me? It was the last answer. Okay? Why? Why is it positive 1/2? Because they're both negatives, okay? So we got a negative, negative. Okay, so that's gonna make a plus. You don't like me putting you on the spot? It's okay. You're all the way in the back. Nobody can hear you on the video. Guaranteed. You want me to tell everybody your name on the video? Let me give you a shout out. No? Okay, so and then the other one, we got 3x plus y equals 4. Okay, we're gonna add or subtract the x's, and so in this case, subtract. Okay, is there a number next to the y? No, so do we need to divide? And so that one's ready to be graphed. Okay, so the black one's gonna start at 3. And we're gonna go up 1/2. Up 1/2. Down 1/2. Down 1/2. Down 1, I can't go over 2. Okay, and then the blue one is gonna start at 4, and our slope is what? -3/1. So can you go up 3? No, so we gotta go down 3. And which way do I need to go over 1? I need a negative line. 1, 2, 3. To the right. Okay, so what is the intersection point? What? It is -3. What? Did I do something wrong? Oh, for the black one? Okay, because I was just sitting here thinking, like, why are these not intersecting? Thanks, bud. Okay, so -3, up 1 over 2. So it probably intersects right there. Down 3 over 1. It does. Thanks. Why'd you say never mind? You thought you were wrong? No. It's freaking, what is it, 8 o'clock in the morning. It's probably me. Okay, so what is the intersection point? 2 what? 2 -2. Okay, for those of you guys in the other class or at home, I make mistakes all the time. Okay, so I plotted it at +3, and it should have started, the black line should have started at -3. Okay? And then let me look at your guys' sheet. You guys can cross off 14 also. So what did I say? 3, 10, 13, 14. Okay. Okay, so you guys have 6 problems to do. Whether you finish or not, turn it in the box unless you know you're going to finish it at home, okay? It's better for me to grade it the way it is than for you to take a 0 unless you know you're going to bring it back, okay? So, and if you need help, ask.